Good evening to all of my awesome friends. We are celebrating All Mothers Open Collab hashtag Mothers23. This is being put on with the Life DIY Home Decor, and she got a lot of great creators to join in on this. Please go check out each one of these awesome creators and see what they did, and make sure you check out the playlist. There's probably a lot of people like me that joined in also. We all have something a little different to share, and we want you to enjoy it. Don't forget, Grandma does tablescapes for two, and it's for me and my daughter celebrating Mother's Day. Thank you so much, my awesome friends, for always being here and sharing so much love and kindness with me and my daughter. Today we're celebrating All Mothers Open Collab, hashtag Mothers23. This is a celebration for all of you that have taken the time and effort to raise your children. And mothers are not always ones that give birth. Sometimes the aunts and grandmothers are the ones stepping up and raising those children. This is for you also, my dear friends.